stretching here. And on this next time, we'll lower all the way down. Use your hands if needed. Widen through the arms. And from here, we're coming through to the front of the mat to our extended side angle. So turn your chest to the side. And from here, we'll push the front leg straight into kind of a long triangle pose. Right hand circles down. Place the left, setting up for our three-legged plank. Chaturanga, you can land the foot. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale back to downward facing dog. Right leg extends behind you